Hi, I'm Lance Geiger, the History Guy, and it's the time of year again to talk about History Camp America, a great online virtual history conference that will be held on November 5th. Registration begins on July 2nd, and if you register at historycamp.org/America soon using the code HistoryGuy22, you get $5 off your registration. And one of the things that you get when you register is a great box of History Camp swag. Last year I got this great cup with the Declaration of Independence on it. Just a moment. Ooh, that's great. So, that's what freedom tastes like. This is the box for this year. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Ho, 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 ho. Stuff. T-shirt. Want to be a history camp without a t-shirt? T-shirt. Ta-da! Franklin Fortune's deck building card game. Look, card game. Washington bobblehead. Washington bobblehead.
According to the systems of policies the state shall adopt at this moment, they will stand or fall. Bobble, bobble, bobble.
Mug. There we go. Join or die. North Carolina. It's the Massachusetts Spy mug. The Spy, or Thomas Boston Journal, was a political newspaper owned by publisher Isaiah Thomas from 1770 to 1801. The paper carried the first eyewitness account of the battles of Lexington and Concord, and this is based on that newspaper. Cool. It's called the Titanic Memory Pack. It's full of all sorts of... I'll open this up in a second. We'll see. But what's really important here is it says replicas on the front. So, no, this wasn't actually fished off the bottom of the ocean. It's important for you to know that we didn't send actual stuff to everybody who signed up for History Camp. It is a replica. Wow, look at this stuff. Wow. Got a Titanic poster. Wow, this stuff is awesome. It actually looks really, really great. It's there inside, USS Constitution, oldest commissioned warship afloat. Okay, I got energy. What do I do with energy? I don't know. Energy idleness. And no idleness. You want energy. Magnets, stickers, bookmarks. It's great. They say Heroes of America, Superheroes of American History. Woohoo!
Go a-wassailing along a merry way.
You get 2 energy out of action. Ooh. Wally pins. Show your love of history. These are what? Life, liberty, and the pursuit of history. Awesome. I'll wear these. All sorts of awesome stuff. You get this stuff. Well, you don't get this, but you get this when you sign up for History Camp. It is November 5th. It is an all virtual history camp that will be talking, a history conference. We'll be talking all sorts of historical subjects, including from yours truly, the History Guy. November 5th, registration begins today at historycamp.org/America. Use the code HistoryGuy22 to get $5 off your registration. I will see you there.
For the last time, all good history does not include pirates.
Pirates! Pirates!